everyone, Miss Art Garden here, and today we're going to do a Let's Draw of Mulan, who is a character that I really liked when I was little, and I'm kind of on a nostalgia kick lately, so let's go ahead and start with a circle for the cranium, a line down the middle of her face, and the horizontal eye lines, and draw her face. She's got kind of a rounded face, not like very angular, and this is kind of based off the Disney version and kind of, just in my own style. I kind of draw her sort of rounded, not super angular on the face. We'll go ahead and shrink this a bit. I tend to draw a little too big. We'll just go ahead and use the magic of the computer to do that for us. Since she is Asian, I'm going to draw her eyes a little bit more rounded. Usually I kind of draw, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but very angular eyes. I start by drawing the top of her eyes, and I'm doing this about an eye length apart. And we'll just go ahead and draw them in a little bit like that. Then you can draw the bottom of the eyes in as well. And these are just kind of place markers for now. And then we'll go in later and do any little touch-ups that we need. I'm going to draw just the little bridge of her nose here, and I'm not going to draw the total bridge of her nose like that. I'm actually just going to kind of draw in the bottom of her nose. A little bit of a style thing that I'm doing, or that I just tend to do. And then just a little bump to show the bump of her nose. I'm just going to kind of reshape this as I go. Go ahead and draw her mouth in and just give her kind of a happy smile here. And that's a little bit, I want this to go out a little bit further, so I'm just going to kind of touch it up a bit. Select this and move this down a little bit so it's a little straighter. And then I'm going to select her face. Now that I've got her features in, I think I want to just kind of reshape it just a touch like that. And then we can draw in her neck area here and here. And then we'll just kind of draw in some shoulders as well. So I'm going to actually have her neck kind of start where her ear, we can draw her ear in first. And it lines up with the top of the eyes and the bottom of the nose, just kind of draw on her ear. It'll probably be covered by hair. And then we'll draw her neck out a little bit here, and then, just kind of draw on her shoulders. Just something to sketch it in like that. And then I am going to go ahead and make any little adjustments I want now before I proceed. And one of them is I think I want her head angle to be just a little bit down like that. And then we'll draw in her features a little bit more. Let's have her just kind of looking off camera, I think, like here and here. And I got to get those eyes to line up a little bit better. I'm going to erase this line and actually remember to draw in eyebrows for once. It's just something like that. And then this one here, and that looks pretty good. And then I want to also, usually I draw the crease of the eye there, but since again she's Asian, I'm going to actually just draw it sort of over here a little bit more. She's Chinese in the movie, if you guys haven't seen it. It's a little bit of an old movie, but I think it's a good classic, so most people probably have. And then I'm gonna give her some kind of Disney-esque princess looking lips. So give her kind of a full lips here and here. And I'm gonna reshape it because I want her to look like she is smiling. So I think I'm gonna just reshape this up just a little tiny touch. And then actually I am going to select this and just kind of move it to where I want, a little bit down. You can add the teeth, just kind of give it a little bit more of a shape. Okay, and then we're gonna draw her hair, which is kind of distinctive. She's got a middle part. Start from there, and I'm gonna go out here and then out here, and then she's got like a little tuft of hair that sticks out there as well. So you can just kind of sketch in the rest of the shape of her hair, kind of pointy like this maybe, and it'll go down a little bit here, and then this goes back, and this hair will come down like so. Pretty straight hair, so we'll keep it mostly straight. I'm going to erase that little bit there hidden behind her hair, and then if you need to do any reshaping, just do it while you're still kind of in that sketching phase. And that is pretty much it. We'll draw in a little quick outfit here. You can see just a tiny touch of her shoulder blade, and then the her shoulder area, and then the cloth goes over that like so. And then that band will be a little bit more 3D than the rest. And then when you come to the shoulder, you can add a little wrinkle there if you want. And we'll do the same over here. I guess I want to define this so this goes out like that, and you lose most of the ear, but you see a little bit of it, just kind of show where that the hair is behind her here. And then we'll have the neck area. This goes here. The fabric is behind this, but a little bit 3D, so we'll just bring it up with a little tiny line there. Move that down, and move her shoulder out, and add a little tiny wrinkle there, and then that pretty much covers it. So we can do the reveal for the final in 3, 2, 1. And there we go. I hope you guys had fun drawing Mulan. If you have any suggestions for what I should do a Let's Draw of in the future, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.